What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and Prime Days are here. Finally. Prime Days are here, and we are going to go over some things. Now, I actually missed y'all yesterday. I apologize, but I was doing a review on a dash camera in which is this thing is on Prime Day deals, and you may want to go ahead and purchase yourself this camera right here. This camera has 4 channels, you guys. This thing records 4 things at one time. It records you, it records your passenger, it records whatever is in front of you, and it records behind you, your rear. All right. And this thing is just amazing. Right now this is on Prime Day deals, so I just wanted to let y'all know that. Right here we have something that I need is a toilet plunger. So if you're looking for a toilet plunger and a brush, right here you have $15.99. I'm gonna click on it, and right there it says Prime Day deal on it. All right, it's 20% off. They also have different colors on it, but sometimes if you get a different color, it may not be a Prime Day deal. So watch when I click this. You see the Prime Day deal went away. So when I go over here, you got the Prime Day deals. So we got a plunger right there, a curtain rod. I need a curtain rod for the bathroom in the basement. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. This is the cool stuff, you guys. I don't have no tools yet. I have tools, but I'm not doing that right now. So, all right. So we have this Wiz Color High Lumen 6-inch Smart Retrofit. Now, I do have the, what was these? The canless recessed lights that I reviewed a few years ago when I was finishing the basement. But I want the lights in here to be different colors. So especially the two over here with my clouds. The two over here with my clouds, I kind of want them to be smart lights. So if I could get 2 of those, that would be fine. And one of these are $20. So I will just live with that. I'm just going to leave it right here. This is what is this? This is my home Prime list. So this is my list for Prime Day deals for your home. All right, and I got Prime Day list for the garage. Y'all will see some cool things for the garage, and y'all will see some cool things for, you know, the yard and blah blah blah. All right, so we have this Govee hex set. This hex set was actually expensive a few months ago, like very expensive. And right now we just getting to $100 for it. If I click on it, this set is 10 panels. All right, and the 7 panels is 103. So might as well just get a 10 panel for what, almost $10 more, $15 more, you know. So yeah, that's so be it right there. Just gonna leave that one alone. All right, something else here that I thought may be interesting if you have kids that's into gaming and all that. Got this gaming desk right here. I know it's a little pricey, but this looked like a desk that I went to IKEA with my wife. It was like a few weeks ago, and they had like the same exact desk, but their desk was like $800 to $900. So I actually think this desk may be a deal. All right. Exactly what they have. The list price here was $700, so that's almost close to what IKEA got. So yeah, if you're into or if you're into gaming, or if you're into like adjustable height gaming desk or whatever, then you know, be my guest. Try this out. All this stuff that I think that's pretty cool, I will put a link in the description, because I put it in the list because I think it's pretty cool. and some I actually want to buy for my house. All right. Right here we have a rice dispenser. I never seen a rice dispenser before. Never. But this seems pretty cool, so I put it in the cart. I may be getting it. This is a Prime Day deal, and today is the 12th. Today is the last day for Prime Day deals, you guys. So this is it. This is crunch time. I work good under pressure, so before the end of the night, I will make my final decision of the things that I want to buy. All right. So, yep. Definitely this magnet measuring spoons. We do need this. All right. And I think it's pretty cool because they magnetic. Yeah, the ones we had, we got them from Walmart. They was Tasty, the Tasty brand, and the numbers on it rubbed off, so basically it was no good to us no more. Go back. All right, so one of my famous videos, and still a famous video that I did, was the bed frame, the metal bed frame. It did pretty good. People liked that video, and I do need another one for my youngest son. So when I did that video, it was for my oldest son because his bed frame broke because it was one of the cheap ones. Well, it wasn't really cheap, but it was the skinny metal. And yeah, the new one that I bought for him, the heavy duty one, it is very strong and durable, and yeah, it's doing pretty good right now. So let me go ahead and go back. So yes, I may be getting that, and I think this is cool right here. This is awesome, you guys. This is awesome. I think this is like amazing. This look like something that be in IKEA, okay? Or this look like an idea that you can take from IKEA. Like, you know, IKEA has those little, they have these little black stands. I actually use them for my bathroom. My wife put them in the shower, so yeah. I think this is probably one of the coolest things on the list, to be honest with you. All right, and now we're getting into the good stuff. Now this one, the robot vacuum. All right, y'all know I have the robot vacuum from what was it? Anchor, that's what the name. Anchor Eufy. Anchor Eufy. And you know that vacuum is good, but we want to try to get a vacuum that does mopping. So I think this vacuum does, let's check it out. Is this the vacuum? No. If this ain't the vacuum if this vacuum don't do mopping, then we don't want it. Alright, so this one I don't think do mopping, so this might not be the one. Alright, and here is the famous mop that I had for years and years and years and years. Now I really don't need the mop, I just need, we want more mop heads. But, you know, it don't hurt to have another mop. I'm just gonna let y'all know that this is my favorite mop of all time. You know, we used to have, well, I don't know how old school y'all are, but back in the day when you had like the regular mop and you had to wring it out, and whew, that was a struggle back then. But you know, the new era, I love this mop. Like, you just put it in, you step on it, and go about your business. All right, now here we go. Something that I think that y'all might like is an adjustable desk. Now, I went to Costco the other day. Costco do have an adjustable desk that is, they marked it down to $250. I think a couple months ago it was like $300 and something, but they did mark it down to $250. Now, with this desk, it looks nice. It looks wooden. I don't know if it's real wood, so you know, take note of that. Sometimes when you have this artificial type of wood and you put like your coffee cup or your let's say you have a cup of ice and it starts sweating, the fake wood will lift the fake. I said, yeah. The sweat from your cup will lift up the imitated wood, so it will kind of ruin your table. But other than that, I don't know. I don't know if it's fake, but you can buy one of those little cup things you put your cup on. You can buy one of those. You'll be okay. So yeah, I think this adjustable desk is pretty nice, especially being 55 inches by 28 inches. It's not bad. $200, not bad, you guys. Once again, I will put a link in the description. Okay, here we go. This is the one I want. I want this one. All right, you guys. Here we go. We have another robot. Sorry about that, you guys. My battery died. So we have here a robot vacuum, and this is a mop combo. This is going to be awesome for $87. 150-minute runtime. I think this is going to be pretty good, you guys. I am going to roll with this one. But if you look, the Prime Day deals is all the Prime Day deals is all over the place, and I'm loving it. All right, let's go back. Don't want to bore y'all too much. I'm already running up on time right now, so give me 1 second, you guys. All right, right here we have a chair. Now, Prime Day deals. Now, I actually like the design of this chair, you guys. The design of this chair is like very, very, very cool. I like that. It actually looks like leather, but you know, it's the fake leather type style. But other than that, they have different styles. Now, all of them is not Prime Day deals. That's Prime Day deal. Prime Day deal. Okay, that's a Prime Day deal. Okay, that's Prime Day deal. I like that color though. I tell you that, I like that red. All right, so all of them are Prime Day deal. Okay, let's go back. All right, now we got the Govee Nest thermos. I say Govee. I'm thinking about Govee. Google Nest thermostat. Okay. Now that's nothing big. You know, I think I've seen this deal plenty of times. $80 something. I just threw it in the cart because I am thinking about changing the thermostat, so I just threw it in the cart. It's not in the cart, but it's in the list. All right, and then I have the hinge, and that's blah 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 stuff. So I keeping these because I plan on remodeling the hall bathroom with my kids. So I'm just looking at some stuff for the future references. And right here is another bug zapper that I want. It zaps and traps, you guys. Let's get all these gnats out the house. You know, the gnats be getting on my nerves. I know people act like they don't have bugs in the house. We don't have gnats and blah, blah, blah. Well, if you got plants, you're going to have gnats in the house. If you have fruit, you're going to have gnats in the house. It just is what it is. So, bugs get in the house. Nothing to be embarrassed about. But you can control that by getting something like this. And this looks very nice. So I put it right here in the list, and I will transfer it to the cart. And for right now, that's going to be it. I will be looking for more stuff, and we will be going over some more stuff, especially for the garage and for the lawn and garden. Other than that, that will be it for right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because I will have more videos coming out for the sales they have. Let me just click Prime Day deals real quick, so I gotta show y'all. You have to be a Prime member. If you click on one of the links, you think you want something. If you're not a Prime member, then go ahead and sign up. Be a Prime member. The reason why I'm Prime because of shipping. Okay, That's just the honest facts. I've been Amazon Prime forever, since Amazon Prime came out. All right. If you don't have Amazon Prime, then more than likely you're paying for most of your shipping. I don't know how eBay works. I did eBay a few times in the past, but I had bad experiences with eBay. It was terrible. So I always just been Amazon surfing. So other than that, deals everywhere, you guys. Oh yeah, and I will go over some tech stuff. I'm into tech, so I like Govee. I review lavalier mics. I actually bought another lavalier mic because I didn't want that deal to go away. So when I get to that, I will show y'all the lavalier mic that I bought. I will be reviewing it. I don't know if it will be for me or I might give it to the studio. I'm plugged in with studios and stuff. Y'all know I'm into production and all that stuff. So that's blah 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 blah. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. I will be dropping very soon.